Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add or change your profile photo on the IMO app. If you are new to IMO or want to personalize your account, this guide will make it very easy for you to update your profile picture and make your account look more attractive. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Next, you will see your profile name at the top of the page. Click on your profile name to open the profile settings. Then scroll down and click on the Edit button at the bottom of your profile page. After that, select the Avatar option, which allows you to change your profile picture. Next, tap on the camera icon at the top of the screen. Here, you will see options to either take a new photo or choose one from your album. Click on Choose from Album. If your phone prompts you to allow access to your media, click on Allow so the app can access your photos. Then browse through your phone gallery and select the photo you want to use as your profile picture. Finally, after selecting the photo, click on the Save button to update your profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.